Okay, we have a Whirlpool fridge here. So the ice maker is bad in this thing, so we're going to be replacing it. This is the part number we're using here, and we'll get right into it. So I find this a lot easier if I pull out this drawer, and there is a couple tabs on both sides that let you pull out this actual front door. So there's that little white tab way back there, and they're kind of a pain to push in. But this piece right here, push that in on both sides, and then you can pull out this whole front door piece will come off. This rack piece here will stay in there, but that's all right. It's not going to be too much in the way. It's the bottom piece that's kind of a pain. Okay, so once you get those two sides pushed in, you just pull on your drawer. The actual whole pieces will slide out. You need two hands for this, so I'll put you guys down for a sec, but you just pull it straight out, and then we can put it on the floor. All right, so that's taken off right there. Now we'll move to the inside of the fridge. Okay, so first thing we have to do is I've unplugged the ice maker right here. Now there's 3 bolts, one there, and one underneath here that we need to undo, and then this whole unit will come out. Make sure you watch the fill tube here. When we put in the new one, we'll want to make sure that lines up with this cup right here. But we can get this out of here. It's just a 1/4 inch. Need a 1/4 inch bit. Okay, so the top ones I don't take right out. I just leave them half in there because they're slotted, so we can just slide it up. But I've got that bottom one under there, so we'll just slide it up. You got to wiggle it a little bit to get it off there. It just comes off just like that. Okay, so we got the new one in here. I always do the electrical first. It's just easier to do it right now. Make sure it actually clips in there, and make sure that fill tube goes into that little bucket in the back there. And then we can just hook on the 2 screws at the top. Just like that. Put the bottom screw in, tighten those top ones, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, so some of these fridges you have to hold the door switch to actually get it to work, some you don't. But starting right off the bat, they put a lot of these fridges right at the point where it's going to fill with water. So it just filled with water. Make sure that this is lowered as much as you can, like it doesn't lower any more than that right now. But when it runs through its cycle, it'll lower back down. But yeah, that's the whole changing of that. That was like a 10-minute thing. We just got to put this front door back on, and that's it. Now keep an eye on your ice maker for the next about 4 hours. Make sure it's actually making ice, not overfilling, all those kind of things. But you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.